Once, a man who was a well known criminal, sinner, one day he decided to go meet Buddha. He wanted to be initiated and wanted Buddha's help. But he was afraid people might not allow him to enter his place. So he decided to go at such time when there were not too many people. Instead of entering from main gate, he jumped from a wall of backside. By chance, Buddha was gone for begging at that time. Man was caught by Buddha's disciple. Man said, I have not come to steal or anything. I am well around here. I was just afraid that you wouldn't allow me through main gate. That's why I came from back. You might not believe, but I want to become sannyasi. That's why I came here. So disciples who caught him took him to disciple named Sariputra, who was great astrologer, who had capacity to read people's past lives. Disciple asked Sariputra, please look into his past lives. In this life, he is a murderer, a sinner, but maybe he earned some fortune in his past lives. That's why he wants to become sannyasi. Sariputra looked into his past thousands lives, but he was always same. Even Sariputra started trembling and said, he is so dangerous. For thousands life, he always a sinner. It is impossible. Any change in this man is impossible. Even Buddha can't do anything. Saying this, Sariputra asked disciples to take him out immediately. So that man was turned out. He felt hurt and thought that there is no chance for him to change. Alive, he couldn't be around Buddha. Thinking this, he wants to commit suicide. So, just around main gate corner, he started to hit his head against stone wall to kill himself. Just then, Buddha was returning from begging. Seeing man, he stopped him and took him inside. After few days, man was initiated and became a disciple of Buddha. Now everybody was confused. Sariputra went to Buddha and said, this man has lived 1,000 lives of misery and has been a sinner. How can this man become initiated in some days? If this man can be enlightened in some day, then what is point of looking into people's past lives? Buddha replied, you looked into his past but didn't look into his future. Any moment person decides to change, he can change. The very decision is decisive. This man has lived 1,000 lives of miseries, but now he hankers to change, and his intensity to change is infinite. Hence, in some days, he was able to initiate. Thanks for watching.